Why does unemployment remain high, even when people are willing to work for less? And why don't wages adjust to clear the labor market automatically? The answer lies in a fascinating theory, the insider-outsider model. The insider-outsider model, developed in labor economics, explains persistent unemployment and wage rigidity by highlighting the divide between two types of workers in the labor market: insiders, the currently employed; outsiders, the unemployed or marginal workers. This model challenges a classical view that markets adjust quickly to reach equilibrium. Insiders are workers who are already employed. They enjoy job security and influence in wage negotiations, often through labor unions. Why? Because replacing them would cost the firm time and money in hiring and training. These costs are called labor turnover costs. Outsiders are unemployed or in insecure, low-paying jobs. They have little to no voice in wage bargaining and are often excluded from the process altogether. Wage bargaining is biased. Wages are negotiated between firms and insiders. Since insiders want to maintain or increase their wages, they resist any wage cuts. Even when unemployment is high, they're not motivated to help outsiders enter the firm because that could weaken their own bargaining power. Wage rigidity. This leads to wages staying above the market clearing level, meaning firms hire fewer people than they could, keeping unemployment high. Pushback even if outsiders are willing to work for less. Their offers are ignored. This model explains why unemployment can persist even during economic recovery. Wages don't fall as expected in recessions. Countries with strong labor unions may see slower declines in unemployment. It also gives insight into the dual nature of labor markets. Good jobs with stability and high pay. Bad jobs with insecurity and low wages, often held by outsiders. Check table for revision. Pause video to check. In short, the insider-outsider model shows us that unemployment isn't always about lack of jobs. It's often about who gets to set the wages. As long as insiders dominate wage bargaining, unemployment can persist and wages remain rigid, regardless of how many people are desperate for work. Graduation Cap, thanks for watching. If this helped clarify the topic, don't forget to subscribe and watch video on wage efficiency theory and classical dichotomy.